Whether you are a knitter or crocheter, you are eventually facing a struggle with what to do with leftover yarn, often leading to waste and clutter. We've all been there, finishing a project and being left with a bunch of scraps that seems too small to use, but too good to throw away. It's frustrating to see all that yarn going to waste, taking up valuable space in your craft rooms and weighing on your creative consciousness. Sometimes it feels like we're drowning in a sea of scraps, unsure of what to do with them all. Not the best feeling, no. But today we're going to tackle this common challenge together and find a solution that's both fun and functional. In today's video, we're diving into a creative way to use small yarn leftovers, turning what might seem like waste into something new and exciting. The important note here is that only natural fibers can be used in this craft, particularly wool, to make sure that felting method is working. In preparation for felting process, I cut the wool yarn into smaller pieces and separate them into finer fibers. As you can see here, it's that easy to manipulate with, and it's easy to fold in shape in any sort of object you wanted to. In this case, I choose this shape of heart. It can be anything like your cookie cutter, like here. Any size as well, depends on how many yarn scraps you've got. As we work our way through this project, you will see just how easy it is to turn those scraps into something truly amazing and to inspire you to keep going. Later, I will share a few more of my favorite scrap yarn projects. Both made it entirely from leftover yarns. It's a real showstopper, and you know you'll love it just as much as I do. Remember, the key to turning scrap into something amazing is to have fun and be creative. Don't be afraid to try new things, and don't worry if your project doesn't turn out exactly as planned. The most important thing is that you're taking those scraps and turning them into something truly special. To wrap up, we have seen how easy and fun it can be to repurpose small yarn scrap into new creations, reducing waste while sparkling creativity. I hope you have enjoyed this video and are feeling inspired to try something new. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment with your favorite scrap project and check out my other videos for more creating inspiration. See you later. Bye.